All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber Company. All right, we're out here, 60 by 80, and this is actually going to be some boat storage here. But you can see here's the backdrop here. You can see privacy windows up here. But you're going to see here we did the interior sidewall steel, and then also the ceiling as well. And let's go ahead and check this out here, okay? But this wainscot right here, 4 foot. Sometimes you'll see it as 3 foot, but this actually wainscot. This is a pretty tall building, as you can see right here. But this wainscot, 4 feet. But, you know, this is gonna be applicable, usable building. And you can see we're gonna come back and we're gonna put the wainscot here on the bottom. And the reason why we do that, why would you put wainscot on the bottom? Well, I tell you what, a lot of times you'll nick that. Instead of taking out a full sheet, all right, in this case, that sheet would probably be, I don't know, would that be probably 12 feet? You just have a 3 foot section that you can take out. Some people like to do it for aesthetic value, but there's some functional value as well. So there you see it there. We did the ceiling there. We're blowing in cellulose insulation up top. And then also on the sidewall, you can see there's insulation as well. But it's 60 by 80. And you can see obviously windows, privacy windows, I like to call them up top. But as we pan around here, so you can see here's the access door. We go in there and obviously you can blow in. You got that blower and you're blowing the R25 cellulose insulation for your ceiling and so forth. So let's go back out here and take a look at it. Get a panoramic view of this. But 60 by 80. I believe it's 18 or 20 feet tall. But this is what you can do, you know, make your building usable year round. And we got some guys obviously knocking it out over there. But anyway, so 60 by 80 right there. Good sized building. And more information, you can visit atticalumber.com or you can call us 419-426-BARN. Attica Lumber since 1925.